Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this lecture we are going to talk about the text widget and some customization on it, and also a new button called outline button. We will work on them, and let's go to the code. As previously we know our main function and a stateful widget and our build method. So what we have here, we have a material app inside. We have a home, scaffold, app bar, and a title text on the app bar, which is text widget, and a body which has a center widget. For now, nothing else inside this body. So we can see the output also here, text widget and app bar and a scaffold with body center, no anything. So let's add something in. So let's add a text inside our scaffold body center, and we have a text widget. Hello. What we can add on this widget, or we can work with this widget, what we can apply on the widgets, we can go to the widget inside this bracket. In the Mac, my one is Control I. Press Control I, you can see all the properties that you can, or widget you can apply on this scaffold or any other. For example, we applied the app bar and the label. We can see the others also here. We can apply some of them on our scaffold video. So let's go to the body. Inside this center widget, Control I or Control space might be work for you. And here we can add a child. So it has a child of text. What text with hello for now, and Control Asset. Okay, we have a problem here. Extra break. And now we have the hello in the center of the center widget. So let's go and add some properties to the text widget. When we are going to add some properties in the text widget, go again Control space or Control I. For my one, Control I works. Let's put a comma and Control I. We can apply key, location, maximum line or flow, or something very important is style and text alignment, direction, and so on. We can apply on the text. Let's use some of them. Like I want to use the style, text style. Inside text style, we can apply the color, the background, and font weight, font size, and many more. Now, for example, I want to make its colors dot something. You can add, for example, amber and Control S. The color of our text has been changed. I am going to change it to blue because it shows itself now. I can add any other property also, like I can add comma and something called font weight, font weight, and dot bold and Control S, and our text become bold. Also, we can add another properties like font size. In font size, we can give a number like 20, become larger, and 30, Control S, become more large. Whatever you want to use, you can use. Now for now I'm going to use 20. Another thing we are going to use for our text something called chip. I'm going to on the text widget and press my control dot button and press the wrap with widget chip. There is a widget name chip. What a chip takes, it takes a child, a label, text which is hello, and control asset. Now our chips also apply to this text. Let's add a button also in this body. Okay, let's wrap our widget with a chip edit with a column widget. So select the comment dot. You can choose a wrap with column. Control S. Now we wrap with column. As we know, column will store the widgets inside vertically. So now our first widget is this text widget, which is at the top. We can bring it to the center by going at main axis alignment to our column. Main axis alignment dot center. There are some other properties also that you can add, but we need the center to bring the text to the center. Control S. And now here is our text in the center of our column. So let's add inside the children column, we have to add a button. Now how to add a button? As previous we know that we can use any kind of button, like this time I'm going to use outlined button. It's also a kind of button newly came in Flutter. Instead of outline button, we use outline button. So we don't, for now, on pressed, and we don't need for now on pressed, and the text, the child text widget, which towards level name, outlined button. Control S. Here is our outline button in the center below that text. So as previously we did something that when we press the outline button, the text should change. If you remember that, you can go to the build function. In here we can add a variable, a string variable, str is equal to some text hello for now and semicolon. Instead of this text label, we can put str, because str is also a string, and we come to the on press of the outline button. By pressing on this button, we will change the str is equal to hey, this is, and control asset. So for now nothing happened because we didn't press on the outline button. When I press now, nothing will happen because we need to add set state function, because this set state function update this build method. And now control S, set state function, rebuild our method, and the str take the new text. If we rerun our app for the first time, it took the hello from here. Whenever we click outline button, the text will be changed to hey, this is Ali. And now I'm going to click to the outline button, and here is our text change. Okay, now we are going to work on padding. I want to add padding and on outline button, so I'm going to select this and control dot or command dot, and I can use wrap with padding. actually takes a parameter padding and a constant edge insets. All edge insets dot all at point 0. It means all around this button the padding will apply 8.0. If you want to increase the padding, you can change this to another number. For now, we don't need the const. Control S, and let's increase the padding from 8 to 20. Control S it. Now see, the padding goes to a space come between these two widgets. And sorry guys for some background noises. So we increase the padding to the 30 and Control S it, and now we get more paddings to our widgets, and we can increase it to 50 and Control S. Now it is 50. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. See you in the next lecture with new thing.